In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkbox to Docusign document 5 minutes. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, click Start to begin a new envelope and upload the document you want to send. You can use a PDF, Word file, or similar format. It helps to skim your document and think about where a checkbox makes sense, such as terms acceptance, options, or acknowledgements. Next, add your recipient details. Enter the signer's name and email so Docusign knows who the fields belong to. If you're sending to more than one person, you can add additional recipients at this stage, but for now, focus on the primary signer so the checkbox is assigned correctly. When that's set, click Next to move into the tagging screen where you place fields on the document. On the left-hand side, under Standard Fields, find the checkbox field. Click and drag it onto the page exactly where you need it. You can resize it or place it near related text for clarity. If you need multiple checkboxes, drag additional ones from the panel and place them in a row or column as needed. With the checkbox selected, look at the Properties panel. If you want to ensure the signer can't complete the document without ticking a specific box, turn on Required. Keep in mind that a required single checkbox forces a yes choice. If your scenario calls for giving options, like yes or no, or requiring at least one selection from several choices, create a group of checkboxes instead. To do that, select the checkboxes you want to treat as a set and assign them to the same group. Then set the validation rule. You can configure rules like exactly one, at least one, or even set a minimum and maximum number of allowed selections. This is the best way to make checkbox selections mandatory while still giving signers a choice. For clarity, add text labels to each checkbox. Labels should match the language in your document so it's obvious what a selection means. You can adjust the formatting to keep the labels readable and consistent with the rest of the page. If you've added multiple boxes, use the alignment tools to tidy everything up. Select the fields and use Align and Distribute so your checkboxes line up perfectly and spacing looks professional. When you're satisfied, click Save and Finish. Docusign will guide you to send the envelope. Your recipients will see the checkboxes exactly where you place them, with any required rules enforced, ensuring clean, accurate responses every time.